Contractors. Oh, man, our favorite topic, right? Biggest thing I can tell you is you're going to need way more contractors than you think. Like 4 times as many as you think. So always be on the lookout for contractors. Gather. What we're trying to do, we're trying to put together a big database of contractors that are vetted. And what we're finding is if we don't have jobs to offer them right then, they're not interested. Okay, they're not interested in me. They don't care. They've not seen my videos on Facebook. They don't give a rip. They want to know, where's the job? Is it available right now? Well, no, we don't have anything, but eventually we'll get you in our program. They're not interested. So what we need from you guys is tell us what jobs you need, and we will help match you up with contractors, right? Completely for free. So on our website, you can go and submit your job and say, this is what the job is. Now, obviously, if you bought a property from us, you're going to get preference over people who didn't. And we'll put you in touch with some contractors. It's a new program. We're trying to get it off the ground. Help us do this. It's completely free. I believe it will probably always be free. But we need you to always be on the lookout for contractors. The trades that you're going to need are this: roofers, siding people, exteriors, windows, HVAC, painters, carpet and flooring. These are the easy ones to find, right? I can walk out on the street and probably snag 20 roofers just by standing on the side of the road with a sign. Same with painters. They're everywhere. Those are easy. Windows, HVAC, painters, all that. The harder ones to find, though, are the concrete people, foundation people. How many people avoid houses that have foundation issues at all costs? Framers are really hard to find right now. You need like an unlicensed electrician guy, a guy who does electric. Careful, though. If he's the same guy that does your tile, and then he also does electric. You got to watch that. But somebody has a basic knowledge, just like a general handyman type of person. If he's doing work that doesn't require a permit, somebody like that. And I would never, ever, 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 and I'll say this on tape till I'm blue in the face. If you have work that needs to be done, and if you'd heard me 8 years ago, I would have been like, well, yeah, you should probably pull a permit. Wink, wink. I'm telling you.
All those permits.
When you get the call the week after closing because they turned the dining room light on and the ceiling fan started leaking, you probably should have pulled a permit. So if there's permitted work that's required, it's pay me now or pay me later, right? Use a licensed plumber, use a licensed electrician for that work. But you do need somebody who's not licensed. Are harder to find too: electricians, finished carpenters, plumbers, the licensed individuals. But these are all the people that you're going to need. You're going to need a lot of contractors. Others you might need just a general laborer, skilled laborer, unskilled laborer, like a grunt. Someone's got to crawl in that crawl space and put that vapor barrier down, right? So your target for labor is about $200 to $250 a day for your contractors. So some sources, you get referrals, vehicle ads. Like I said, go on buildrealty.net, request contractors there. It's a new service. I'm not going to guarantee it'll be the greatest service in the entire world, but it is free. But tell us what jobs that you need and we can line you up with certain contractors. Andy will get with you on that if you have questions. This is what the form looks like online. Do you know how you request a bid? You click the button that says request a bid. It's really easy. All right, 3 tips just to help make things easier when you're dealing with contractors that you're going to need. 1, get multiple bids. 2, please have a written budget. So you can come to them and say, look, this is what I need done. It doesn't have to be fancy. It can be on a notebook page. These are the things we want done. Rough in kitchen plumbing, right? Install shower body. Fix that leak that I can hear behind the wall. Write the things down they want and write down how much your budget is. Because otherwise, they don't know how much you want to spend. And it's probably, strangely enough, it's going to probably be higher than what you were thinking. It's weird how that works. Isn't that strange? Did you say, Ben?
Yeah, what's your thought on paying per project versus paying hourly?
I avoid time and materials at all costs. Yeah, you want to get the job done, you say, one thing you can include, we got a whole workshop just on this, is how to put together the scope. And you say, hey, I think it's going to take about this much time in days or half days or whatever, and I'm willing to pay this much. So, but definitely, You want to do it by the particular job. Just the way these things work out. You know, you've got a job that you're doing. You don't have time to manage hourly stuff. Just that way you're on the same page. But definitely get it in writing. And always use a contract. Always. Can you imagine, for those of you who've done a lot of houses, can you imagine if you didn't have written contracts on any house that you ever bought? How smooth would your closings go? They're horrible, right? Oh, well, yeah, they told me this. But everyone's shocked when the job goes sideways with the contractor, but you didn't have a written contract. Shocking. Oh, right? Get a written contract. We have resources on our website. You can go on there, you can download contracts, you can download change orders, all that stuff, everything you need.